Hey guys, it's me Taylor, and today we're gonna make banana bread. First, we'll need some sugar, cinnamon, an egg, vanilla extract, butter, also flour, and some sweet bananas. Add the sugar first, so it can be sweet like me. Can't forget the egg, a little oat milk. Next is cinnamon, vanilla extract, and baking soda. Some soft butter. You can't stir it up, you have to mash it. Add your flour. I have to stir this fast like Sonic. This is okay, now let's pour it in. Baking time. You're gonna see my nose down. And one. Ooh, this smells like heaven. And ta-da! Now you have a nice, soft, beautiful banana bread. Let's take a bite.
I love y'all, but this thing is good. Here, you want some? I know, so good. It's amazing and interesting.
Thanks for watching.